Everybody, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, ConfidentCashCars.com. Can hardly beat a Honda Civic, guys. Here's a really clean one. So this is a 2015 Honda Civic. 202,000 miles on it. Really nice paint and body all the way around. It has the slightest little hail pings on it that I really don't think you could see in the video. But just to be honest, I can see them just a little bit with the naked eye. Overall, really nice condition. As always, check out our website carefully. Look at all of the photos we provide because I can't show every little thing in a video, but I try really hard to take pictures of any and every significant imperfection. This is a very clean little car. Most significant imperfection is the wear there on the driver's seat. This steering wheel is really worn, but we already have another one to replace it with, so that will be taken care of. Sorry, earlier I said 2015. I get confused with my ages a lot. I'm getting old. But it is a 2013 Honda Civic. And there's the miles, 204 instead of 202. I need to check all my specs before I start my video. Sorry about that. Your wheel lock is in there. Your owner's manual is there. I do have 2 keys for it as well. Aux port, Bluetooth. No backup camera on this one. No odors. Smoker, pet odor, none of that stuff. Very clean in and out and all around. The trunk has a nice Honda liner. So folks, if you're looking for a gas saver, sporty little car, reliable car, these Honda Civics are great. I sell these like crazy with no issues. And frankly, 200,000 is starting to look like low mileage on one of these cars anymore. Give us a call anytime, 803-853-4300, ConfidentCashCars.com. Thanks for watching.